Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to add an existing account to X. If you already have an account and want to access it on X, this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to add your existing account and continue enjoying X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is loaded, locate the account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to proceed. Step 2. After tapping on the account icon, you'll see a menu or options list. Look for the 3 dots, which indicate additional actions or settings. Tap on the 3 dots. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Add an existing account. This option allows you to add a previously created account to X. Step 4. Now you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Type in the email address or username associated with your existing account. Then, enter the corresponding password. Make sure you enter the information accurately. Step 5. Once you've entered your account details, tap on the Sign In or Login button, as usual, to proceed. X will verify your credentials and, if entered correctly, grant you access to your existing account. Congratulations, you have successfully added your existing account to X. Now you can enjoy all the features and benefits of X using your familiar account. Thank you for watching, and may your experience on X be even more enjoyable with your existing account.